Wow, it's dark. Okay. All right, guys. I'm in the house because we got something in the mail that I was waiting on today, and it is this right here.
It is me.
Oh, yeah. We got some hatching eggs, and these are the American breast chickens. They're supposed to be the best tasting chicken in the world. The chickens are from France, but they have they started breeding them here, and so they changed the name from French Breese to American Breese. Or I say Breese because it's B-R-E-E-S-E, but they say breast. 30% hatch rate is considered normal on shipped eggs. Well, I'm hoping that's not true for me. And so here they are. Look at this. I thought you'd have them in a thing, but look, they individually wrapped. Individually wrapped. Now I have my incubator open. I mean, not open. Set and all heated up and ready to go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get an egg carton, open these and put them in an egg carton first. Some nice size eggs. I mean, I don't know if it's just all the stuff wrapped around them.
Yeah.
I need scissors is what I need.
What?
Scissors? Yeah, can you have them scissors? Thanks. So look what we're gonna have. We're gonna get white eggs. It's hard to tell which side's the pointy side. You put pointy side down, you can't really tell. How about you, babe? Can you tell on that egg right here what would be the pointy side?
Looks like this side.
Okay, that's what I figured. So you always put pointy side down. You know why?
Why?
Because in this section at the top, and guys, this is why you do it, because there's a air sac up here. There's air at the top, so that's the air that the chick lives on while it's inside the egg. Man, you're gonna have to come look at this one too. I can't tell. I wonder if that's why they got a 30% hatch rate. This one's a little small. Okay, this one I can tell easy. Look, here's another one, man. Can you tell on that?
Yeah, it's pretty clear.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, because this is just, that's pointier.
Okay.
Going down.
I'm kind of struggling to tell.
It's hard for you, it's easy for me.
Yeah. So, oh, this one's got a break in it. I can feel it already. That don't mean that. I could still putting it in here. It's like it was a soft egg or something. Well, maybe not. I thought I felt something. And that one's easy to tell. So that's the kind of colors we're going to get, white and off-white, apparently. Well, definitely will be processing chickens a whole lot more than I do now. Having these, but I won't, you know, kill myself and have 50 of them to do at a time. I hope I get a nice amount of hens out of these 18.
And you don't know what they're going to be, right?
Right. And then we don't know how many of these are going to actually hatch either. He's saying 30%. So what's 30% of 18? 6 times 3 is 18, so that means only 6 will hatch. I'm hoping for better hatch rate than that. She did say that last guy that she had sold it to had called her back and said he had had 17 out of the 18. 17.
Wow. What do you do, incubate them?
Yeah.
In your little thing over there?
Yeah, got it all heated up and ready to go. Yeah, this little bubble wrap makes you feel like it's the egg is soft and breaking, but it's the little bubbles, you know. There's a dozen. I have to let Mindy look at that. I'm thinking that, but I'll let her look at it. I can't tell, man. I really can't. Oh yeah, I got another one I need you to look at.
This one's more round.
Okay, well, that's how I had
Tiny
it.
point.
Yeah, that's how I had it.
One of them definitely more round than the other. Is there.
I wasn't expecting them to come individually wrapped. Thought they'd come like in a styrofoam,
They took care.
a styrofoam egg thing.
I think they did a good job, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, no eggs are cracked so far. I mean, I got just a few wrapped.
That's amazing. They never tell.
Yeah.
Where it come from?
Still got some little bit of poop on them. Got a little poop on the egg.
You don't want to rub it too much. Get it off.
Oh, so you buy 18. She gives me 20. Gives you two extra just in case. Well, that's a blessing. So I'm actually going to have 20 eggs. Okay, that, right? That's the point here, huh? Okay?
Yep.
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 So there's my 18. I got 2 more. That's good. Beautiful. All right. So if you never hashed eggs out before, it looks like she gives you some instructions. Let the eggs settle after you receive them for 24 hours at room temperature in the egg carton with the point side down. Okay. So after 24 hours, cut up the egg carton into its individual cups and place the eggs into your incubator in the cups, pointed down. Do not rotate the eggs for the first 4 days of incubation. After the 4 days are up, you can rotate eggs as normal. An upright style egg incubator usually has the best success for shipped eggs versus the side lying down. Okay. So I shouldn't rotate them for 4 days. Now, I've never heard of that before. That's new to me. But she's saying that's let the eggs settle after you receive them for 24 hours in room temperature in the egg carton with the pointy side down. Oh, what egg carton? Oh no, they. Okay, I thought maybe she might have put something in it, but she didn't.
Tell me what to do.
So I got them in an egg carton, pointy side down, and really I was going to stick them in the incubator today as soon as I got them, but I guess I'll wait. I'll do what she says here. Okay, let the eggs settle. So we need to I need to leave them alone for 24 hours at room temperature. Okay. Now after that, cut up the egg carton into individual cups and place. So I don't need to do that because I have an egg turner, but I'll just I'll turn it off and just set the eggs in there for 4 days. And you don't rotate, don't turn the eggs for the first 4 days. Okay, so I'm going to follow those instructions, okay? I think I should. All right, so for today, I'm going to set these eggs on top that incubator, just leave them there, or just somewhere. See, I'll put them. Okay, so there they are. I just set them there, and tomorrow at 4:30, I'll go ahead and take them out, put them in the egg turner, but turn the egg turner off and let them for 4 days, and then incubate them. And I wonder after that, let's say. So an upright egg incubator usually has its best success for shipped eggs. Okay, so temp 97.99. Okay, day 1. through hatching. Okay, so I know that. Humidity, okay, nice. Okay, so they're not needing a whole lot of humidity. Now, one thing they're unclear on here is day one starting when I put them in the incubator or when we start turning them. I think when they go in the incubator, that's going to start day one. Day 4, I can start incubating them. I think that's how I think I'm understanding it here. All right, so we'll meet you here tomorrow when we put these in the incubator, and then we're going to watch them hatch together and see what kind of hatch rate we get on these things. These are the American breast chicken. It's supposed to be America's or the world's best tasting, juiciest tasting chicken. It's a great dual-purpose bird. You can get eggs, you can reproduce them, and grow them out and for meat. And so it's ideal for the homesteader, the ideal chicken for the homesteader. So anyway, all right, guys. So we'll see you on the update when we put these eggs in the incubator tomorrow. Okay. All right. Okay. See you tomorrow at the incubator.